Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence could actually put money in your pocket without spending a single dollar upfront? Well, I'm about to show you 3 legitimate ways to make money with AI in 2025 that require absolutely zero startup costs. And before you click away thinking this is another get-rich-quick scheme, let me be crystal clear: these are real methods that people are using right now to generate income, and I'll give you the exact step-by-step process for each one. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 concrete strategies you can start implementing today, complete with the tools, platforms, and exact steps needed to begin earning. But here's the thing: most people will watch this video and do nothing with the information. The question is, will you be different? Let's dive into the first method that's helping ordinary people create substantial income streams using nothing but free AI tools and their creativity. Method number 1 is AI-powered content creation for businesses. Now, I know what you're thinking: everyone's talking about content creation. But here's where most people get it wrong. They try to become influencers or build their own following from scratch. Instead, what if I told you that thousands of businesses desperately need content created for them, and they're willing to pay handsomely for it? Here's the reality: small businesses, entrepreneurs, and even larger companies are drowning in the need for constant content. They need social media posts, blog articles, email newsletters, product descriptions, and marketing copy. But hiring full-time writers or agencies is expensive. This creates a massive opportunity for anyone willing to bridge that gap using AI tools. Here's your step-by-step process. First, you'll need to master the free AI tools available to you. ChatGPT's free version is your primary workhorse, but don't stop there. Claude AI offers a generous free tier, and Google's Bard is completely free. Each has unique strengths. ChatGPT excels at conversational content, Claude is fantastic for long-form writing, and Bard integrates beautifully with Google's ecosystem. Step 2 is developing your AI prompting skills. This is where most people fail. They think AI is magic and expect perfect results from basic prompts. Professional-level AI content creation requires sophisticated prompting techniques. Learn to use role-based prompts where you tell the AI to act as a specific type of expert. Master the art of iterative prompting. Don't accept the first output, refine and improve through follow-up questions. Step 3 involves creating sample content in multiple niches. Choose 3 to 5 industries you're interested in, maybe fitness, real estate, technology, or food service. Create sample social media campaigns, blog posts, and email sequences for fictional businesses in these niches. This portfolio becomes your calling card. Step 4 is the game changer: finding clients without spending money. LinkedIn is your goldmine here. Search for business owners, marketing managers, and entrepreneurs in your target industries. But don't pitch immediately. Instead, engage with their content genuinely, offer value in comments, and build relationships. Facebook groups for small business owners are another treasure trove of potential clients. Here's a powerful strategy most people overlook: create content for businesses for free initially, but only as samples. Find a local restaurant, gym, or service business and create a week's worth of social media posts for them using AI. Present it as a gift with no strings attached. When they see the quality and their engagement improves, they'll often ask you to continue for pay. Step 5 is pricing and scaling. Start conservatively, maybe $50 for a week's worth of social media posts, or $100 for a blog article. As you build testimonials and refine your process, you can increase rates significantly. Some AI content creators charge $500 to $1,000 per month per client for comprehensive content packages. The beauty of this method is scalability. Once you've refined your AI prompts and processes, you can serve multiple clients efficiently. Some successful practitioners manage 10 to 15 clients simultaneously, generating substantial monthly income. Now let's move to method number 2: AI-powered digital product creation. This strategy involves using AI to create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, templates, and guides. The key insight here is that people are willing to pay for organized, valuable information, even if the underlying content was created with AI assistance. The step-by-step process begins with market research using free tools. Reddit is incredibly valuable for this. Explore subreddits related to your areas of interest and look for recurring questions and problems people face. Facebook groups, Quora, and even YouTube comments reveal what people struggle with and what solutions they're seeking. Step 2 involves using AI to create comprehensive digital products. Let's say you discovered that new pet owners frequently ask about puppy training. You could use ChatGPT to create a complete puppy training guide, including weekly training schedules, common problem solutions, and progress tracking sheets. The key is not just generating content, but organizing it into a valuable, actionable resource. But here's where most people go wrong. They think slapping together AI-generated content and selling it is enough. Professional digital product creation requires editing, fact-checking, and adding personal insights. Use AI as your research assistant and content generator, but add your own organization, examples, and unique perspective. Step 3 is creating compelling product presentations. Canva offers a robust free tier perfect for designing ebook covers, course materials, and marketing graphics. Use AI to generate ideas for titles, descriptions, and marketing copy, but ensure everything aligns with your target audience's needs and language. Step 4 involves choosing the right platforms for sales. Gumroad, Etsy, and even Facebook Marketplace allow you to sell digital products without upfront costs. Each platform has its strengths. Gumroad is excellent for straightforward digital downloads, Etsy works well for creative and lifestyle products, and Facebook Marketplace can be surprisingly effective for local or niche audiences. Here's a powerful strategy: create product bundles. Instead of selling individual items, package related products together. A fitness bundle might include workout plans, nutrition guides, and progress tracking sheets. This increases perceived value and allows for higher pricing. Step 5 focuses on marketing without paid advertising. Content marketing on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube can drive significant traffic to your products. Create valuable content related to your product topics, and naturally mention your paid resources when relevant. Email marketing through free platforms like MailChimp can nurture leads and drive repeat sales. The income potential here varies widely, but successful digital product creators often generate anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s monthly. The key is creating multiple products and building a system for consistent creation and promotion. Method number 3 is AI-powered freelance services. This approach involves offering specific AI-enhanced services to businesses and individuals who need tasks completed but don't have the time or expertise to do them themselves. The opportunity here is massive because AI has created a new category of services that didn't exist a few years ago. Businesses need AI implementation help, automation setup, data analysis, and custom AI solutions, but they don't want to hire full-time employees or expensive consultants. Your step-by-step process starts with identifying high-demand, AI-enhanced services. Customer service chatbot setup is hugely popular. Businesses want automated customer support but don't know how to implement it. Data analysis and reporting using AI tools is another goldmine. Companies have data but need insights extracted and presented clearly. Social media automation using AI tools appeals to businesses wanting consistent online presence without manual daily posting. Email marketing automation enhanced with AI personalization is increasingly sought after. Even simple tasks like AI-powered research, competitive analysis, or content optimization can command good rates. Step 2 involves mastering the free and low-cost tools needed for these services. Zapier offers free automation capabilities that can integrate various business tools. Google Sheets combined with AI plugins can perform sophisticated data analysis. Many AI tools offer API access that can be used to create custom solutions for clients. The key insight here is that you don't need to be a programmer to offer these services. Many AI tools are designed for non-technical users, and businesses often need someone who understands both the technology and their business needs. Step 3 is building your service portfolio. Start by using these tools for yourself or fictional scenarios. Create case studies showing before and after results. Document your processes so you can replicate them for clients. This portfolio demonstrates your capabilities and helps potential clients understand the value you provide. Step 4 involves finding clients through strategic networking. LinkedIn is again crucial here, but focus on connecting with business owners and managers who express frustration with repetitive tasks or inefficient processes. Upwork and Fiverr, despite their competition, can be starting points for building reviews and testimonials. Local networking shouldn't be overlooked. Many small businesses in your area might benefit from AI-enhanced services but don't know such solutions exist. Attending business networking events or chambers of commerce meetings can lead to valuable connections. Step 5 focuses on pricing and delivery. Start with project-based pricing rather than hourly rates. A chatbot setup might be priced at $300, while a comprehensive social media automation system might command $800 to $1,500. As you gain experience and testimonials, you can increase rates significantly. The scaling potential here is enormous. Some freelancers offering AI-enhanced services charge $50 to $100 per hour once established. The key is positioning yourself not as a generic AI user, but as a specialist who solves specific business problems using AI tools. Now, here's what separates successful people from those who remain stuck action. You now have 3 concrete methods for making money with AI that require zero startup costs. But information without implementation is worthless. Choose one method that resonates most with your skills and interests. Don't try to do all 3 simultaneously. Focus creates results. Spend the next week mastering the tools and processes for your chosen method. Create your first samples or portfolio pieces. Identify potential clients or customers. Most importantly, understand that like any legitimate income opportunity, these methods require effort, learning, and persistence. AI doesn't eliminate work, it amplifies your capabilities and efficiency. The people making substantial money with AI are those who combine the technology with business acumen, persistence, and genuine value creation. The AI revolution is happening now, and those who learn to leverage these tools effectively will have significant advantages in the coming years. The question isn't whether AI will change how we work and earn money, it's whether you'll be ahead of the curve or left behind. Which method will you start with? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical strategies to build income in our rapidly changing world. The future belongs to those who adapt and take action.